Hey guys, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. The name is Plunkett. Thanks for tuning in again for another episode. Now today I want to talk about a sensitive topic. Now I'm going to make this clear. I'm not doing this to bash Americans or bash anyone at all. I'm just doing this because I feel the need to share my opinion and my experience and express how I really feel. Now, if you're American and you get offended by this video, then stay offended. Pretty much, or just don't watch it. Simple. Now, let's get into this on the fun side of it. Now, today I was in Walmart and I met this beautiful young lady. She's American, of course. We were having a discussion and it went into realms, different areas, different topics, as I normally do. People who know me know that when I talk about a lot of stuff and I go into different topics. Now, we touched on Americans and how they socialize and different cultures and how they socialize and how they react to certain things and, just how they are in general. Now, being that I'm from a different culture, being that I'm from Jamaican, we're laid back people, we're fun-loving people, we're social people, we're always in the vibe, in the mood to talk to other people. We're just fun-loving people, not to take from other cultures. But comparing that to Americans, to me personally, I think many Americans have lost their socializing skill. I guess that's the right word to use. Their socializing skills where they don't know how to socialize anymore. For instance, you see a girl somewhere, say a Walmart or anywhere, and you approach her and start to talk to her. First thing that comes to her mind, oh, he's a creep. He's weird. Why is he talking to me? Why is he this? Why is he that? People don't do that anymore. Like, what the hell? What do you mean people don't do that anymore? In every other country that you go, if somebody approach you to talk to you, it's to have a conversation. Why are you calling that person weird or a creep? Why are they talking to you? They don't know you. That's the reason why they're talking to you, to get to know you, or they have something important to say. So why are you going to say they're a creep and it's creepy? That is exactly what I'm talking about. People interpret you as a freak because you want to talk to them or you have something to say. No, I've seen many Americans, even at school, when they hardly ever socialize. You're there and everybody's in their phone, Facebook, whatever it is. Nobody's talking to each other. Nobody's having fun. Nobody's laughing. It's like you're total strangers. Even if you're in the same classroom, people will stare at you. All they do is stare at you. No, where I'm from, we socialize, we talk to everybody. I can literally walk up to somebody in Jamaica and just have a conversation with them, just out of the blues, not knowing the person from anywhere, and we'll be best friends after that. Literally. Here, it's different. You have to be careful what you say to people. You have to be careful somebody don't call the police and harass them. You can't. Listen, it is crazy. And I've heard people say this from other cultures that it's totally different. Where they're from, they're social, they used to have fun. Nowadays, parents don't even let their kids play with other kids because of different, foolish reasons. And it's puzzling why parents would stop their kids from playing with some other kids. Say a white kid to play that black kid, they're going to stop their kids from playing that black kid for no reason at all, because probably they're also racist, I guess. But anyway, I just want to ask Americans, why are you so antisocial? Why are you like this? Were you raised to be antisocial? Why do you find people that talk to other people weird? Why is it that things are weird to you? Why is it that you're not social? Why is it that you can't approach somebody and just start a conversation with them or be accepting of other people's culture, that they do talk and they do socialize and it is fun to socialize? So let me know in the comments how you feel about the topic. Let me know if you are like that, let me know if you're from an ex-culture and you have experienced that with Americans or other culture. Let me know down below in the comments. Remember, you can find me on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, you can find me on YouTube at hashtag JVLOGS. Just go over there, subscribe to my channel, tell me where you came from, and just share stuff. Remember, comments are free. Remember to subscribe and share for more interesting, controversial topics like these. Remember, Plunkett, JVLOGS. Enjoy. Hey, no, 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 hey, no, no, no. Right now, I'm sweaty because it's really hot here in Florida, but yeah, I'm sweat up right now, but don't watch that. Just enjoy the video.